Yeah, hello all, welcome
Yeah.
back. So in the previous session, we have gone through the condition type controls, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so some of the controls left in the v/06 controls. Now I will go through them. Now let me open the SAP. See, in the previous class, we have gone through all these controls, right?
Yeah.
Let me go through our condition type R00. See, in which we have completed till the scales, right? So till here we have completed all the controls. Do you have any queries in these controls?
No, sir.
Okay then. See, now we will go through the next control here, which is nothing but exclusion. Okay, what is this? Exclusion.
Exclude.
So now let me tell you what exactly will happen if you maintain the exclusion. Okay, so if you maintain the exclusion for any of the condition type, okay, then system eliminates the below condition types for which you have the same requirement. Okay, so now let me give you a small example. See, in the pricing procedure, if we take our pricing procedure where we use to assign some condition types, right? K004, K020. So like that we have assigned some of the condition types there. And you can see the requirements field also in the pricing procedure, right? So if the requirement for this condition type is 2 and the requirement for this condition type is also 2, okay, and there is one more condition type K040 for example. So if the requirement is 2 for all of them, and if you have maintained exclusion for this one, for the first condition type, then what the system will do? The system will eliminate the remaining this condition types which have the same requirement. Did you get it? Hello?
Yes, Suneel.
Yeah, did you get me?
Yes, Suneel.
Yeah, okay.
Can you tell one more time?
Yeah, okay. I will show it in the system. Means I will show it in the sales order. Now let me configure it. Let me go through our pricing procedure. See, our pricing procedure is MR all zeros, right? So if we go into this procedure, then see here we have some condition types 1, 2, 3. So if we maintain the requirement as 2, for example, for them, okay. So what will happen if you maintain exclusion for this M004? Then you cannot able to get the M005. Okay, that's what the mean is. So now M004 and M005. So for both of these, I will maintain exclusion. Okay. Now let me go through /06 and let me go through M004. See here, for this condition, I will maintain the exclusion. Okay, see here I am maintaining some exclusion. Okay.
Okay.
Now let me save it. So here we have maintained for M004, right? Now let me maintain the same thing for M005 also. See, if we create one sales order, then what will happen? As M004 and M005 both are having exclusion. Okay.
Okay.
And for which the requirement is same. So here, in which what will happen, the system will consider only the first condition type and which eliminates the next one. Okay. So now let me create the sales order. See, let me give order type, sales organization, distribution channel and division. See, now give me the sold to party. And here the material is. And if we go inside the conditions here, see here, oh, the base price is not available. So I think we have given different material. Now let me give Vaccine 150 for which we have maintained the price and all these things, right? So if we go inside the conditions, see here M004 is there. Okay, then what is the next condition type we have placed?
M020.
M020. No, not here. What I am saying is
M005.
Yes, M005. See, now the M005 is not getting determined here. Because the system was eliminated that. Okay. Now let me make some price first in MR00. Sales and material. So combination for this material, I'm going to maintain some price. For vaccine 150 also, I'll maintain some price. Okay. So now let me create the order again. Then here I can able to show you that. See, if we go through the conditions, here we can able to find M005 and M020, but not the M005, right?
Yeah.
And if you go through the pricing procedure here, see here, if we select it and if we go inside the controls, see for M020 there was no requirement, right? And if you put a requirement as 2, then what will happen? We cannot able to find M020 also in the sales order. Right? So now let me create one more sales order. And if we go through the conditions, see, can we see M020 here? No, because what was happened? As we have, yeah, let me tell you, as we have maintained exclusive means exclusion for the condition type. What is that condition type? M004. Okay, then for which the requirement is 2. So here, whatever the condition types which are having a requirement as 2, those are all getting eliminated. As you have exclusive to the first condition type which was placed in the pricing procedure. Okay, did you get me?
Yes.
For example, if M020 was placed first in the step number 30 and M00 was placed in the step number 40 in the pricing procedure, and if you maintain exclusive means exclusion checkbox to the M020, then what will happen? This M0 means M004 will not get determined. Okay.
Okay.
And if the requirement is somewhat differ, see, in this case, let me take M004 and M020, for which the requirement is 2, and for M0030, for which if the requirement is 3, then what will happen? Then the both condition types will get determined. Okay. So here, if you maintain exclusion, then it will eliminate only the condition types which have same requirement. Okay, where we maintain the requirement, it is there in the pricing procedure. So I think you are clear with it.
Okay.
Okay, then now let me tell you one thing. Actually, we will not go through this exclusion concept. Okay.
Okay.
As we are having exclusion groups concept, we have a different concept which is nothing but exclusion groups. Okay, this one. Exclusion groups. Okay.
Okay.
As we have this configuration, we will not go through the exclusion concept. Why the companies will not go through the exclusion concept? Because see, if there are 5 discount condition types, let me take this one. See, now if there are 5 discount condition types, one is K004, K005, 6, 7 and 8, for example. So if they maintain exclusion to the K004, and if all these condition types have the same requirement, then system will not consider these condition types, right? So in this case, manually they have to give whatever the condition type would like to get earlier. So in this case, it may not get applicable for all the customer for all the countries. That's why only companies will not go, means we will not go for the exclusion concept. Okay. So we will go through the exclusion groups concept. I will let you know that now. But before that, let me tell you one thing about the exclusion concept, which is nothing but, see, in the pricing procedure, we use it to see, in the pricing procedure, let me go through our pricing procedure. In the pricing procedure, we use it to give all the condition types, and we used to give the requirement also, right? But this exclusion concept will not work to the condition supplements. You have to remember, exclusion concept will not work for condition supplements.
Okay.
Okay. So I think you are clear with the exclusion concept.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now let me go through exclusion groups concept. What is that? Exclusion groups. See here, exclusion groups means grouping of the multiple condition types into one, and we propose the best condition or the least condition or whatever it may be based on the client's requirement. So here what it means is, here we have K004, K005, K006, K007. Okay. So how many condition types we are having here? 4, right?
Yeah.
These are all the discount condition types, for example. And for K004, the discount is 100 rupees. And for K005, the discount is 120. And for K006, the discount is 80. And for K007, the discount is somewhat like 200.
Okay.
So 100, this is 120. Okay, for example, like this. So here, if company will give all of these discounts to the customer, then the discount amount will be more than the base price. Right?
Yeah.
So no company will give all the discounts to the customer. So here the company may go for the best discount. The company may offer the best discount to the customer or the lowest discount to the customer. Right? So here what is the best discount? 200 rupees discount is the best discount. This one.
Okay.
And what is the lowest discount here? 100 rupees. K005. Okay. So if all these condition types are getting determined in one sales document. Okay. So if we maintain exclusion groups, then what will happen? System will propose or system will activate only the best condition type or the lowest condition type based on the controls we give in the exclusion groups. So are you clear?
Yeah, clear.
Okay then. Now let me configure the same in SAP. Okay. See, for which I will create 4 discount condition types. Okay. See, now let me take our standard discount condition type, which is nothing but K004. Okay. Or else I will do one thing. I will create some new tables. I'll create everything new. Is it okay?
Okay.
See here, the first table I will take with customer. Okay. See. Now you please note down the table numbers.
Okay.
See, 538 is the table got generated, right? This is what is the customer table. Means the table consists of the field only customer. And the next table I would like to take with the field material. Okay. So here 540 is the table got generated.
Okay.
Okay. Now I will create one more table because I am creating all these tables to create different access sequences. Then different condition types. So now let me take price group. See, let me take price list or price group. Okay, let me take price list. So 541 is the table generated.
Okay.
Okay. Now let me take one more table. Distribution channel. Okay.
Okay.
So here, how many tables we have created? 4 tables, right?
4.
And the last table is 542. Okay. So I think you are having all the tables with you now.
Yeah.
Now let me create some access sequences. So here I will create a new access sequence. I will start with P. Is it okay? P001 is
Okay.
the, what is this? Customer discount.
Customer.
Okay. And what is the table we have created?
538.
Yes. 538. So now let me select it and let me go through the fields here. So now P001 got created and P002 is the another access sequence. Let me go through P002. This is what is consist of material, right? So let me name it as material. So I think already it was created. Yeah, this one. So now let me name it as material. Okay, and we have to select it and we have to go through the accesses where we have to place our table. What is the table which was generated for material?
540.
540.
540.
So now let me select it and go through the fields. So 2 access sequences got created. P001 and P002. Okay, now P003 is the third access sequence, which consists of only price list. So now let me select it and let me go through the accesses. And here, what is the table?
541. 541.
Yes, 541. So now let me select it and go through the fields again. So now let me take one more. 5, sorry, P004. Okay, this is what is only distribution channel. Okay. So now let me select it and go through the accesses. And what is the table which got generated here? 542. So now let me select it and go through the field. Okay. So now we have created 4 access sequences. Right? P00. See, P001, 2, 3, and 4. These 4 are the access sequences we have created now. Okay. Now let us create the condition types. So now let me go through the transaction v/06 and here let me take the standard one K004 and see here what is that P001, right? For which the access sequence is P001. And I will name it as customer discount. Now let me save it. So now let me take it and let me copy it. See, here I will name it as material discount, and for which I will use the access sequence P002. Okay. So we have created 2, right? And now let me create P003. This is with price list, right?
List, yeah.
For which we have to use P003 as the access sequence. Now let me select it and let me make it as P004. And for which we are using P004 as the access sequence. And here what is the name we have to give? Distribution channel, right? So we have created 4 condition types, 4 discount condition types. Okay? So now what I will do is I will create a new pricing procedure because I don't want to disturb the standard one. Whatever the pricing procedure we are using, right? I don't want to disturb that. So for the exclusion groups concept, I will create a new pricing procedure. So now let me go through B/08. See here, MEXCLU, M exclusion, MEXCLU. Okay, this is the pricing procedure. So I would like to use it for exclusion groups. So now let me select it and go through the control. What we have to do here? Here in the step number 10, I will give the base price. Okay.
Okay.
So bifurcation step, it's base price. So in the yeah, the step number 20 it is the base price. And base price is from step number 10 to 19. In the step number 30, I will give the discount condition type. What is the discount condition type? P001. In the step number 40, I will give P002. And in the step number 50, I will give P003. And in 60, I will give P004. Okay, these 4 are the discount condition types. Okay, so now it has to be get calculated on 20. See here in the step number 60, not 60, is 70. We will get all the discounts. Okay, the discount starts from 30, right?
Yeah.
From 30 to 60. So finally we will get the net price here. Net value. Okay, so net value is from step number 10 to the step number 70. Okay, see, now what I will do is I will create the condition records for all these condition types. Okay, so now let me go through PK11. Actually we have, what is this? We have already maintained the price, right, in MR00.
Yeah.
So now let me maintain the, what is this, price for, not price, discount for P001, P002 and 3 and 4. See, here I am giving customer discount as 100 rupees. Okay.
Okay.
Now let me save it. So for the P001, we have created one record. Now let me create one condition record for P002. So this is what is the material one, right? So let it be created for the material vaccine 150, for which the discount is 150 rupees. Okay. For the customer, the discount was 100, and for the material, it is 150. And for the price list, what is the price list? Let us give 01, for which the discount is 180. Okay. For wholesalers, we will give the discount 180 rupees. And the last one is P004. A distribution channel, right? So here for the distribution channel M1, we would like to give the discount of 200. Okay. So now let me make all these discounts available to one customer. So now let me take the customer XD, let me go through XD02 and let me give our customer here. See here, the price list is wholesaler, right? So he will be eligible for the discount which is applicable for the wholesaler. And for this customer also we have given one discount. And for vaccine 150 we have given one discount, material discount. And if we create the sales order in the distribution channel M1, we have given one discount that will also get applicable. So now let me create the sales order. But before that, let me change the pricing procedure in OVKK. Okay, see, actually we are using this procedure, right? So what is the new procedure we have created? MXLU, I think. So now let me save it. So now let me create one sales order. See, if we go through the conditions, how many discounts are getting applied? How many discounts?
4 discounts.
Yes, four discounts are getting applied to the customer. So here the base price is also 100. So now let me make it 300. Okay, 300 or 400. So now let me go back to VK12. And here MR00 is the base price condition type, for which yeah, here the price is somewhat, let me make it as 500. Now let me create the order. See, here the price of the material is 100, but the customer is eligible for 1, 2, 3, 4 discounts. So here the total discounts amount was, it is 630. So more than the price, the customer is eligible for more discounts. More than the price, he is eligible for the discounts. So now what the company will do? The company has to give only one among them, right? Either the company can give this discount lowest or this discount highest. Okay. So for which we have to configure. Okay. So now let me go through the configuration part. So now let me go through the transaction. SPRO. So here SAP reference IMG, and here in which we have to go through sales and distribution, and here basic functions, and here pricing, then price control, right?
Yeah.
Here we can see all the, what is this, condition tables, types, all these access sequences, pricing procedure, all these things. Okay, these are all we use to create normal condition types, right? But for exclusion, we have to go through the exclusion concept. See here, this one, condition exclusion.
Okay.
Okay, so in which we are maintaining the normal condition records, normal condition types, access sequences, all these things. And for the exclusion one, we have to go through this one, condition exclusion. Okay, so here in which we can find two, what is this, two tabs, right? Two options. So now let me click on the first one, condition exclusion for groups of conditions. Okay, so now let me click on it. See here, define condition exclusion groups. We have to define condition exclusion groups. So now here I will define one exclusion group, that is nothing but M00, M000. Okay, so here this is what is the exclusion group. Now let me save it. So already we have defined one group, right? What is the group? M000. Now assign condition types to the group. So in that group I will assign the condition types. What is our exclusion group? M000, for which I am going to assign P001, P002, P003, and P004. So we have 4 condition types, right? So I am assigning all of them here. Now what is the third step? Maintain condition exclusion for pricing procedure. Right? So we have to click on it. And what is our pricing procedure? MX CLU. So this is what is our pricing procedure. So for which we have to maintain exclusion. See, what is this? Serial number, right? 10. What is this?
Condition.
See here, proposal. Here condition exclusion. What you would like to do? Would you like to give the best condition between all the condition types? Or would you like to give the least condition type? Or whatever it may be. It will be based on the requirement. Okay, so here I would like to give the best condition between all the condition types. Okay, see now let me give the exclusion group as M000. Okay, so what we have to do?
Okay.
We have to save it. So now let me create the sales order again. So for the same customer, for the same material. Okay, what is the price? 500 rupees, right?
Yeah.
What was the discount earlier? 650. Now let me go through the conditions. See here. Here we got 4 discount condition types. But the system activated the, what is that? The best condition only.
Okay.
Okay. So here 200 is the discount minus 500 is the base price. So now the amount net value is 300. So are you clear with it?
Yeah, clear.
Okay. Now, if the company would like to give, what is that? Here we have given the best one, right? And if it is the requirement to give the least one, then also we have to go through the same here, pricing. Then we have to go through price control. Not price control, here see. Exclusion, condition exclusion. Then we have to go here. And let me take our pricing procedure. So let me select it and go through the exclusion. And see here it is A, right? The value A means best condition between the condition types. So among P001, P002, 3, 4, the best one was P004, for which the discount amount was 200. That's what got given the priority by the exclusion group, right? And now let me make it this one, least favorable between condition types. Then what will happen? Let me create the sales order. If we give the material and the quantity here, what was the least discount? 100 rupees only, right? See this one.
Yeah.
So now the system has given the priority to the least condition value or least discount. Okay, so this is what exactly the purpose of the condition exclusion groups. So I think you are clear with it.
Yeah, clear, sir.
Okay, then now let me go through one more concept here. See, I will do like this, as P001 and P002, 3, 4 are the 4 discount condition types, right? And I will create 2 more discount condition types, and I will make them also available here. Okay, now let me go through our pricing procedure. V/08, and here our pricing procedure is this one. Let me go through the controls and see here. After P004, I will give M004. M004. And in the step number 62, I will give M005. And in 63, I will give M006. Not 6, M020. Okay. These are also the discount condition types, right? We have created earlier. So now what I will do is I will make all these condition types are available for the customer. Okay, so now create the sales order. So before creation of the sales order, it's better let me check the condition types once. M004, right? See, for the material vaccine 150, I will give some discount 130. Okay, 130 rupees. And for M005 also, I will give some discount 140. Okay, and M020. What is this? Price list, right? Price group, right? So for which also I will give some discount like 125. oh, it's a percentage, so I will give 6%. So now let me create the sales order. So what will happen now? See, all the discounts 1, 2, 3, 4. Among these 4, only one discount got applied, right? Because we have maintained them in the condition exclusion group. But now the customer is eligible for M004, 005 and M020 also. Okay, for M020 the discount is in percentage. Here it is 6%. So here what the company would like to do is, the company would like to give exclusive discount among all these condition types. So for which I would like to do the configuration now. Okay, see now let me go through SPRO and SAP reference IMG. Here sales and distribution, then basic functions, here pricing, then condition exclusion, and the first one, right? See here, now let me go through define condition exclusion group. Already we have created M000, right? So now I will create M001. Okay, this is what I would like to use for M series. Here we have created M000 and M001, right? So now let me configure here. See, M000. Let me delete all these, then I can create new. You will come to know. Okay. And now let me go here and see. For M001 or for M000, the condition types are P001 and for M000 P002 and for M000 P003. Okay. And for M000, I would like to give M004 also. Okay, see how many I have given? 4. And for M001, I will give P001. For M001, P002. And for M001, it is P003. And for M001, I will give P004. Not P004. Yeah, P004. Okay. And M001, for which I will give M004 also. See, like this. For M000, I have given 1, 2, 3, 4 condition types. And here I have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 condition types. So 4 condition types here. Whatever I have given to the M000, the same condition types I have given to M001 also, along with one extra condition type, this one. Okay, so now let me go to our pricing procedure, this one, and let me go through the, here the value is D and here it is M000 and here M001. Okay, now let me create the sales order. Okay, see what will happen. Whatever the exclusive condition types are there, right? They only will be given importance here.
Okay.
Means whatever the condition is not mentioned in the, means as we are comparing two groups, right? M000 and M001. So whatever the condition type is exclusive between these two condition groups, that's what will be given priority here. Okay. See here, M0005, which was not maintained in both of them, and M020 also.
Okay.
So that's why only these two condition types got priority. Okay, they only has considered here in the sales document. So are you clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay, then if you have any queries in this regard, you can ask me now. And you please go through the practice. Of course, I think you will get many doubts. You not an issue. In the next class, you please ask me whatever the doubt you get.
I'm sure, sir.
Yeah. Hope you are clear with it. Thank you.
Clear,
Yeah, okay then. Thank you. Bye.